You got her a new treat? How many treats did you get, Miss Clara? I see an empty bag. How many did you give her? Did you give her 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? 5 treats? Oh my goodness, can you count them all?
Count them right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10.
10. Wow. That was a creative way to get to 10. Oh. How many treats did Clara have? Did Clara have 5 treats or 10 treats? Or 11 treats? Wow. Clara's a lucky girl.
No, not lucky girl.
She's not?
Totally lucky girl.
She is a lucky girl?